Hello and welcome back to another session. Today we just look into the new Godot extension breaking changes for version 0.2, and this time I will just reference mostly on GitHub the things, as it's just a very short update so that you are able to migrate towards. So the first thing what you will notice is that in the cargo toml file I updated actually the dependency. Instead of relying on the master branch, I just use the revision now, in the hope that the example will keep working with the time or as time passes. One of the major changes is actually that use Godot : engine is no longer used. Instead, you have Godot : classes, which includes all the interfaces and the struct. For global keys, for example, you also refer now directly to Godot : global and keys. Actually, all the example apps have been modified with that new approach. And another big change was actually, instead of passing by value, you need to pass a lot of things by reference, as you saw it here with the label. So add child is actually passed as a reference now. Also for the upcast, ensure that you are passing a proper type for it. Another change was actually that when you emit signals or something, or you define strings, you don't need to use the into anymore. Instead, you can just get rid of that and rely on the normal string definition. And now across the board, you will see for all these commit, actually that references has been added or used instead of the values, and the into has been removed, as well as the imports have been modified or aligned with the latest API changes. That's basically the whole change in order to migrate towards the Godot 0.2 Rust extension, and that should actually be it. Now I just will scroll through and highlight quickly certain sections of the code, so that you can see roughly what has been changed there. I will also put into the comments below the reference to this commit, so that you can have a look by yourself as well. I hope I was able for you to highlight some of the breaking changes, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. I wish you a nice day and speak to you next time.